Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Flip Finance. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, making money online. Let's face it, the traditional job market is changing. More and more people are looking for flexibility and the freedom to work from anywhere. The good news? The internet offers a ton of opportunities to build your own income stream. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, there's something for you. Before we jump in, have you ever imagined being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from that dream beach vacation? Show quick clips of successful YouTubers and bloggers. Well, that dream can become reality with the right approach. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's explore 5 proven ways to make money online in 2024. Ever heard the saying, be the change you want to see? Well, that applies to creating your own online income. Let me ask you, wouldn't it be awesome to control your own schedule and work on projects you're passionate about? Look, I get it. Making money online can seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, with the right strategy and a little effort, you can turn your skills and passions into a profitable online business. 5 proven ways to make money online in 2024. All right, let's get down to business. Today, we'll explore 5 ways to make money online, each with its own unique approach. 1. Freelancing. This is a fantastic option if you have a specific skill set, like writing, graphic design, or web development. As a freelancer, you offer your services to clients on a project-by-project basis. There are tons of freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can find gigs and connect with clients. To succeed as a freelancer, building a strong portfolio showcasing your work is key. So, get out there, hustle, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. 2. Content creation. Do you have a knack for storytelling, teaching, or entertaining? Then content creation might be your calling. Whether you love creating videos for YouTube, writing insightful blog posts, or engaging with your audience on social media, content creation opens doors to monetization through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Remember, the key here is building an audience and consistently creating high-quality content that resonates with your viewers or readers. 3. E-commerce. The online shopping boom isn't slowing down. If you have a knack for finding trendy products or have a creative business idea, starting an online store could be your ticket to success. Dropshipping is a popular option, which allows you to sell products without holding any inventory yourself. However, with any e-commerce venture, in-depth research and understanding your target market are crucial. 4. Online courses and coaching. Sharing your knowledge and expertise is a powerful way to make money online. With the rise of online learning platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, creating and selling online courses has never been easier. You can teach anything from cooking to coding. The possibilities are endless. The same goes for coaching. If you have a specific skill or area of expertise, offering one-on-one coaching services can be a lucrative option. 5. The sharing economy. Platforms like Airbnb and Uber have revolutionized the way we live and travel. The sharing economy offers opportunities to make money by renting out spare space in your home, think Airbnb, or using your car for ride-sharing services, think Uber. It's a fantastic way to generate some extra income by utilizing resources you already have. The future of online work. The online work landscape is constantly evolving. Here are some trends you need to be aware of. The creator economy is booming, offering new avenues for artists, musicians, and content creators to monetize their work. Microtasks are becoming increasingly popular, allowing you to earn small amounts of money by completing quick online assignments. And lastly, remote work is becoming the norm. More and more companies are embracing flexible work arrangements, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. Comment if you have any question. Must like this video, subscribe and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.